Hi guys. So stayed here a couple of nights, lovely campsite, lovely place. It's been nice weather. It's been a wee bit chilly but nice weather, and I'm going to start moving. I'm back towards the coast. I'm heading up to here, which is almost an island, and it seems to have a lot of really nice scenery and cliffs and things like that. But I don't think I'm going to do it in one go, so I'm going to drive just in that general direction today and park up somewhere, not a campsite, overnight and see how my battery problem works out. I suspect it'll not work out very well, so I'm not going to turn on my computer till quite late this evening, and then I'll head on up in that direction tomorrow and probably end up there tomorrow. The more north I go, the more beautiful Italy's becoming. This campsite's been great, really nice staff. Guy opened this wee supermarket for me yesterday, and yeah, very good. Dogs are loving it. Fresh water. Don't know if they notice the difference. Molly, all she does, she's just waiting for me throwing a stone that she'll never get. Right, I'll throw a stone. You ready? You ready? Okay, go, quick, oh. At least she's out there. Good girl, swimming back. Buster's much more inclined to go out deeper. Here, I think it's because there's no waves. Look, he's actually going out there and swimming. Never seen him doing that before. Good boy. Do you go swimming there? Here. It's quite unusual. Buster would never normally jump in and then out like a shot, but he's in there as if he's enjoying it on his own. So here we go, onwards and upwards. Let's go. I thought as the scenery in this drive in Tuscany, so wonderful. I keep it rolling for a while, let you take it in. Mile after mile of breathtaking countryside and really typically Italian towns. This is more like the Italy I envisioned. As you travel north, definitely the country's more beautiful and more cared for. Tuscany is breathtaking. I can't believe how beautiful this is. Even the roads are in much better condition than I've had to deal with in the south. And this isn't touristy Italy. This is Italy at its best. It's where people live, and this is natural Italy. Now, this looks like a great place to camp for the night. Pretty rough sea, very windy. Nice wee spot. One of those camper vans just left. Go down and have a look. This wee spot seems fine. So check, make sure I've got internet, and if I have, I'm going to stay here. Now, the only potential problem could be an electricity situation. So it's only 2:15 and I have a bit of work to do on the computer, and if I run out of power early, I could end up still going on ahead to the campsite because it's only 40 kilometers on up the coast. So we will see. If the power lasts, stay here for the night.
A few moments later.
That wee spot was no good. Very weak internet connection. No good to me at all. So just keep heading in the same direction and see if I can find somewhere else. Right, I'm heading to another park up right on a beach. Let's hope I can get internet. My goodness, look at the colour of that river, isn't it beautiful? I'll tell you, if the road leading down to it's anything to go by, it'll be a good spot. And this isn't a campsite, just a free car park by the sea. So, spot number 2. I was thinking I would sit in these chairs and do the video, but the sea is far too loud. But very nice.
1 hour later.
So, as per usual, nothing goes to plan. The last place that I went to park up, that place was lovely looking. And good internet and everything else. And then whenever I went and put on my electric, didn't have any. So I've disconnected the 12-volt system and come to a campsite, plugged in, and everything works when I'm plugged in, thankfully. But I've now looked up a auto electrical place in a big town fairly near here. This is beautiful. This is the beginning of the island that I was going to visit. So I'm going to go to the auto electrical place tomorrow morning and get them to do whatever needs to be done to get all my electrics working again. No doubt it's going to cost quite a lot, but if they can do it, I'll be delighted. And that will be an end to that, hopefully. Now, this campsite is just set in the most amazing place. And everything's fantastic quality and well organized, except I'm getting no reception on my internet. And there's a system here, but you pay €5 a day for it, which is okay. I would rather not, but I signed up for it and it's rubbish. I'm barely able to watch anything on YouTube, but at least it's working. But I may have decided to stay here longer than a day, but that's put me off. So I'll head up in the morning to the auto repair, and don't know what will happen then, if they're going to fix it, or maybe they'll make me wait a few days, or I don't know. So I'll go to them and then I'll decide what I'm going to do next. Like everything, it's no problem. It's needed done, and I've been forced into it now. I didn't like when I found electrics that are melted, you know, so completely disconnected it. But it's good that I've got power. I was worried. That's why I came straight to a campsite mainly, because to get plugged in to see was everything working when it was plugged in. Got everything I need, my fridge and all. So there you go. Always something happening. Not straightforward in a motorhome. You're always, something needs done. Something needs fixed. You can't find somewhere to stay. You're always doing something. I used to be a lazy sod at home. I'm not lazy now.
A few moments later.
Wild boar. I'm not sure how wild they are, but they look like wild boar. Wee babies. Hello. Hello. don't see that every day. So guys, I'm going to leave it off there. Hopefully I'll get my electric sorted once and for all tomorrow. But until next time, bye for now.